Hello everyone, welcome back to All Computer Classes, and today we are going to cover 9th session on HTML, and today's topic is inserting images, right? So you know that beside text we can display graphics, drawings, paintings and charts or maps or images. We are going to learn how to insert images in a web page, right? So img tag is used to insert image in HTML web page, right? And it is an empty tag. It means it does not require a closing tag, right? So it has different attributes. We'll be covering them. Now let's see how to use image tag. Image tag is used with src attribute, right? This is a image tag. src is a source. src stands for source. So source will be having a value. Source is an attribute, so certainly it will be having a value. That's how it is written in double quotes, and that value is name of the picture that you want to insert, right? So we have three different cases if the images that you want to insert are located at different locations. For example, case 1, if your image lies in the folder where referring HTML file is located, right? Means the image that you want to insert is already existing in a folder where your text document is being prepared. So you just need to put that name and image will be there on the web page. Case 2, if the image that you want to insert is lie in a directory other than one in which HTML file is placed. Means, for example, you have a folder HTML in which you're working that is located in G drive or D drive, and the picture that you want to insert is in C drive. So you need to give the entire path of the image along with image name at the end, right? So that is the second case. First case is images within the folder where you are already working. Second case, if the image is in some other directory, means in some other drive. And third case is if you want to insert an image from online or from website. For example, this google.com has this image pic1.jpg, right? So we will see one by one how these three cases works. Before moving ahead, we have three more attributes to work with image tag. First is source that we have covered. Source will be having value that would be the name of the picture that you want to insert. Second is height and width, right? So if you want to insert an image, how much height and width you want to give to image, so that would be the two attributes. The third attribute is align. So after inserting an image, where you want to align it? You want to align it left, right, middle, right, top, bottom, where? So this is how you will write. Image source attribute will be having name of the file .jpg. Don't forget to put this .jpg, otherwise your picture will not be displayed on the web page. Second is height. So height would be having some value, some numerical value, and that has to be written in double quotes. Similarly, width and align. So align would be having top, middle, bottom, left and right. So these are the 5 values that align would be having, right? And the last attribute is alt. Alt is sometime your image is not displayed on the web page because of slow network or poor connection, right? So if image is not being displayed, at the place of the image some text should be displayed, so that the user will come to know that which image, what is the name of that image, right? So for example, this is the image that you want to insert, and if this image will not be displayed, this text would appear there. If image would be displaying, then this text would not be appearing on the web page. So we learned about image tag and source attribute, height and width, align and alt. So let's see one by one all the three cases and learn how to insert an image. So this is my text document where I have already written the basic HTML code, right? So here I would be inserting image space src is equal to double quotes, and here my name of the picture would appear. Now let me see if I'm having already an image. For example, I'm having this image already in my folder. So click on the name of the image, press F2. The name of the image would be selected. Then copy it. Come back to your text document and paste the name and write .jpg, the file extension of the picture. Go in the file and press save as. I'll write image.html and press save. Right now, coming back to the folder, my web page has come here, and this is the image I have got. Right, I hope you have understood how to insert an image if the image is already in your folder. Right, now let me teach you the all other attributes. Now come back here and within this bracket write height is equal to double quotes 300 space width is equal to double quotes within the quotes 300. Now align is equal to left, and in case my image is not appearing, then alternate text would be flower. Right, so now you see, let me show you again. This is the first attribute, having the name of the flower. Second attribute is height, having width 30, width having value 300, align left, alt is having value flower. Right, now press Ctrl S. Coming back to the folder, open the web page. Now you see it has aligned to left. Right, now height and width is 300, height width alignment is there. In case I'll delete the image from my folder, then the name of the picture would appear. Now I'll show you. Coming back to the folder, my poppy flower is here. I'll delete it. Now let's open it again. Now you see flower is appearing here. In case image is not appearing, then the text alt means alternative text would appear here. Right, I hope you are clear with this. Now let's see the second case. If the image is not in the folder but we want image from some other source, so I'll delete this image name. Right, now this is my system and I'll go in downloads. Now you see I have some images here and I want to select this image. Right, I'll right click it and open the properties. Here in the properties, location is written, so I'll copy it. See user incredible downloads. So how we can reach downloads? Following this path. So I'll copy the path and click OK. Come back to the text, paste the path, and now put a slash. Go back to the downloads. Which image you wanted to copy? This. Now copy the name of the image. Right, so I'll copy the name of the image, move back to the text, and now after this slash paste the name and write .jpg. Now I'll explain you again. Your image was in downloads. We went there, selected the image, right click it and go in the properties. In the properties you will see the location of the image, location only. Right, so you copied the location and pasted here. You went back and copied the name of the image and pasted here. Right, and write .jpg at the end. Right, now let's change the height and width, let's give it 500 and 600. Right, now let's save it and go back to the folder, open the web page, and you see we have got another image. So this is the second method if the image is not in the folder where you were working but in some other drawing. Now the third method is if the images you want to put here and that image is not on your system but on the internet. So how we can do that? Now open Google and here we will search. I'll search rose. So let's open the image. Let's find out some good picture. For example, we like this image and we want to insert it. So this is the image we want to insert. Right click, copy image, copy image address, come back to text document. So we'll paste it, we'll put double quotes, space, and press Ctrl S. Right, now go back to the folder, and open this. So our image is here, right? So you just need to go to the website, search the picture you want to put, open that picture, right click and copy the image link, right? Then copy and paste here, press Ctrl S and open the web page. The image will be there. So students, today you have learned how to insert images from different sources to your web page. I hope you liked it. So just practice, try it out. If you face any problem, just message me. See you tomorrow with the next video. Take care. Goodbye.